Hi, I'm Rachel Leslie and I'm the Deputy Director of Public Health in Doncaster. As we head into half term, I'd like to thank teachers, school staff, parents and young people for their support and continued hard work since schools returned in September. I know there's been frustration and disruption in some schools that have seen COVID cases, and schools and families have quickly responded to any situations. Thank you to everyone for taking the steps to ensure that children can continue with their education and remain as safe as possible in the classroom. Our rates have continued to rise in the last week and stand at 509 per 100,000 population for the period of the 2nd to the 8th of October, and we do expect that this will rise over the weekend. Obviously, any rise in numbers is concerning, so once again, I'd urge everyone to continue to remember the basics, particularly ventilation as we head into the colder months and perhaps head indoors more. We can all take the steps to slow the spread of COVID and other winter illnesses. The hands, space, face, ventilation messages that you'll all be used to now will also protect you from flu and other vomiting illnesses as we spend more time indoors. Do continue to wash hands regularly and wear face coverings in busy indoor spaces. Our Doncaster rates do remain high in most of our communities, and if you do have any of the COVID symptoms, arrange for testing as soon as possible and isolate until you receive your results. We're hoping for a more normal winter, and as many of you will be starting to make plans for Christmas this year, you can take the steps now to protect yourself, particularly if you're planning to celebrate in large groups of family or friends. You may have been invited for your flu vaccination or your COVID booster jab recently, and if you have, I would encourage you to arrange that as soon as possible. And if you've not yet had your first COVID jabs, they're still available. Thanks all and enjoy your weekend.